Hi, my name is Vijita Verma. I'm a senior corporate counsel with Infosys Limited, and I'm also the ACC country rep for UK. This position is very dear to my heart because when I go to any conference like a member, it's more about just having some exchange of visiting cards and knowing people. You don't get to speak to people at a long length. But from a country rep perspective, I think I don't just come here for networking. It's a place where I give back to the community. I participate in the organization of the event through different mechanisms. Looking to be part of any in-house legal community, I would always say to reach out to the country reps in the different countries and be part of ACC, because ACC, I believe, is one of the best communities in Europe for in-house lawyers. I had just moved to London 2-3 years back, and now I feel that because of ACC, I have been able to connect with so many people in London. Being an Indian person in a foreign country, it can be really struggle, and that has really helped me. I highly recommend everyone to be part of this community.